Radio KEC60 in Milwaukee. The current time is 11:22 a.m. Central Standard Time. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of east central Wisconsin, south central Wisconsin, and southeast Wisconsin. For today and tonight, the probability for widespread hazardous weather is low. And now the extended outlook for the period Sunday through Friday. A period of wintry mix, including freezing rain and sleet, is expected to affect parts of southern Wisconsin late Sunday night into Monday morning as low pressure moves toward southern Wisconsin from the central plains. The freezing rain may cause light glazing and hazardous travel conditions Monday morning. Any snow and sleet is expected to remain less than an inch. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be needed. However, your precipitation reports will be appreciated early next week. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of Lake Michigan. For today and tonight, the probability for widespread hazardous weather is low. And now the extended outlook for the period Sunday through Friday. South winds and waves may reach small craft advisory conditions Monday evening. Then west winds will approach small craft advisory levels Tuesday and Tuesday night as low pressure moves across the region. Here is the Wisconsin weather synopsis. A large area of high pressure will result in dry weather through the weekend. Temperatures will also warm closer to seasonal normals for mid-January. After a dry weekend, low pressure developing in the southern plains will track toward an upper Midwest and will bring a return of wintry weather to Wisconsin beginning Sunday night and continuing into Tuesday. At this time, it looks like a period of mixed precipitation will affect central and southern Wisconsin, with snow more likely across the north. As warmer gets pulled into the system, portions of the south will see the mix change to rain Monday afternoon into Tuesday. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for southeast Wisconsin, including Milwaukee, Waukesha, and Jefferson. Rest of today, partly sunny in the late morning and early afternoon, then clearing. Highs in the upper 20s. West winds up to 10 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows around 11. Northwest winds up to 5 miles an hour. Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 20s. Southwest winds up to 5 miles an hour. Sunday night, partly cloudy through around midnight, then mostly cloudy with a 20% chance of light snow after midnight. Lows around 19. South winds up to 5 miles an hour. Martin Luther King Jr. Day, light snow, possibly mixed with rain, freezing rain and sleet in the morning, then light rain, possibly mixed with freezing rain in the afternoon. Little snow and sleet accumulation. Highs in the upper 30s. Southeast winds up to 10 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 90%. Monday night, rain. Not as cool. Lows in the mid-30s. Chance of rain near 100%. Tuesday, cloudy with a 50% chance of light rain. Highs in the mid-40s. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy. A 40% chance of light rain and snow through around midnight. Lows in the upper 20s. Wednesday and Wednesday night, partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 30s. Lows in the upper 20s. Thursday and Thursday night, partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 40s. Lows 28 to 33. Friday, mostly cloudy. A 30% chance of light rain in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 40s. Again, the forecast for southeast Wisconsin, including Milwaukee, Waukesha, and Jefferson. For rest of today, partly sunny in the late morning and early afternoon, then clearing. Highs in the upper 20s. West winds up to 10 miles an hour. The 11 a.m. weather observations across Wisconsin and nearby states. At Milwaukee, it was cloudy. The temperature was 31 degrees, with dew point 20, and the relative humidity was 63%. The winds were west at 3 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.49 inches and falling. At Kenosha, it was cloudy, and it was 29. In Racine it was cloudy, and 29. In West Bend it was cloudy. The temperature was 28. At Madison it was cloudy, and 22. In the Dells it was cloudy, and 17. At La Crosse it was cloudy, and it was 16. At Dubuque it was sunny, and it was 24. In Waterloo it was sunny and 23. In Green Bay it was cloudy, and 16. At Eagle River it was sunny. The temperature was 14. At South Bend it was cloudy, and 28. In Chicago it was cloudy, and 31. At St. Louis fog was reported, and 33. At Dublin it was partly sunny, and 26. At the Twin Cities, it was sunny, and 15. Once again, at Milwaukee it was 31 under cloudy skies. A few marine observations. At the Sheboygan Lakeshore, the air temperature was 25. The winds were west at 5 knots. At the Port Washington Lakeshore, the air temperature was 28. The winds were west at 4 knots. At the Kenosha Harbor, the air temperature was 30. The winds were northwest at 1 knot. Here is the nearshore marine forecast. West of today, west wind 5 to 15 knots. Becoming partly sunny. Waves around 1 foot. Tonight, northwest wind 10 to 15 knots becoming 5 to 15 knots after midnight, then becoming 5 to 10 knots early in the morning. Mostly clear. Waves around 1 foot. Sunday, west wind 5 to 10 knots backing southwest in the afternoon. Mostly sunny. Waves around 1 foot. Sunday night, south wind 5 to 10 knots. Slight chance of snow after midnight. Waves nearly calm. Here is the forecast for the open waters of Lake Michigan. For the south half of Lake Michigan, west of today, variable winds less than 10 knots becoming northwest early this afternoon and increasing to 10 to 20 knots by late in the day. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Tonight, northwest winds 10 to 20 knots diminishing to around 10 knots late. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Sunday, northwest winds less than 10 knots becoming southwest. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Sunday night, south winds 5 to 10 knots. Chance of light freezing rain overnight. Waves 1 to 2 feet. This is the NOAA Weather Radio KEC60 in Milwaukee. The current time is 11:29 a.m. Central Standard Time.